If you want to quickly learn how to set up birthday or anniversary email campaigns without wasting time on fluff, this video is for you. I've tested the most popular email platforms, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it in under 3 minutes. Plus, if you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using linked in the description, only available to viewers of my channel. Let's get right into it. First, you need to make sure your contacts have the birthday or anniversary data stored. If you're importing contacts, check that the spreadsheet includes a column labeled birthday or anniversary, formatted consistently, ideally as MMDD or YYYMMDD. Upload it and map the fields correctly when importing. Once that's in place, open your automation section in the software we'll be using. Choose to create a new workflow or automation from scratch. Select date-based trigger as your starting point. This is what tells the system to send an email every year on a specific date, like a birthday or anniversary. Set the trigger to the field you imported, like birthday, and choose how many days before or after the date you want the email to send. Most people set it to go out on the day itself, but you can do a day before as a nice touch. Next, build your email. Keep it warm and personal. Use a dynamic tag like first name so it feels customized. A subject line like happy birthday, first name, or another year, another milestone works well. Include a special offer, discount, or even just a heartfelt message. It's the thought that counts, but a small gift drives higher engagement. You can also add a follow-up email to go out a few days later if they haven't opened the first one. Just add a conditional step after the initial email and set it to check if the email was opened. If not, send a reminder with a slight variation in subject line. To make it even better, segment your list. For example, only send the anniversary emails to customers who've been with you for over a year. Or send birthday emails to those who've made at least one purchase. Segmentation makes your campaign smarter and more relevant. Once your flow is ready, turn it on and test it. Most platforms let you run a test email with sample data. Double check that your merge tags work and that your design looks great on both desktop and mobile. And that's it. You now have a fully automated birthday or anniversary email campaign up and running. The key takeaway here: automated birthday and anniversary email campaigns aren't just nice gestures. They're powerful engagement tools that build loyalty and boost sales with almost zero ongoing effort. Quick recap: import clean contact data with birthday or anniversary fields, use a date-based trigger, personalize the message, offer something meaningful, and always test before launching. Segment if possible, and don't forget follow-ups. And remember, if you want to follow along using the same software I used in this video, there's a free trial exclusively for my viewers linked below. It's hands down the easiest way to get your campaign up fast. Thanks for watching, keep it simple, make it personal, and automate where it counts.